Hello and welcome to 52 West Walnut Street, Phillipsburg, Ohio. Here I'm standing out in front of this home, and guys, number one, it's way bigger than what it looks. And there is so much going on here, so much to offer on the inside, in the outside. Kind of a rainy day today, so I'll try to go through quick. But the one thing is, street stops right here, right where this truck is parked. In our land, there is another lot over here. So we have this is multiple lots, it's 4 or 5 lots. And we go all the way, not all the way up to it, but this is, I've been told, Brown's Nursery to the left and Brown's Nursery to the rear. So we have all this space over here. This could be an additional building lot over here, possibly. Personally, I would keep it for the property, and then boom, out back, huge 2-car barn out here. And we do have a well right here, but that well is just for gardening or whatever. We do have city water. Roof is not too old, I think about 10-year, maybe, I can't remember what was said, but the roof is a dimensional shingle roof, looks in really good shape, and is not that old. Sorry for moving the camera around so fast. I just get excited out here because this is a primo, fantastic setting out here. And then the barn, it does have electric in it. And over here you have nothing but trees. Next, let's go inside and take a look. All right, so here I just walked through the front door of our front enclosed porch. This is carpeted here, and you can see the original brick on the outside. This is all vinyl soffit on the inside. These are all newer, or I shouldn't say newer, but definitely updated, not original windows in here. And then from here we can go through the front door, or this is the way to go to the garage. I'm actually going to go there last because this is the first, how I looked at the house, and then I was like super surprised after looking at the house. So you can be surprised like I was. So this is our living room, huge living room here, gorgeous wood floors. To the back here, this is all a Florida room that has updated windows as well. Have some built-in bookshelves in here. Huge window in the front there. And then give you a peek out the back. We do have a screen door right here, and it's locked, and unlock it. And then that door over there will take us into kind of the garage area as well. And then you can see out back, very, very private back here. Can literally see 0 neighbors at all other than trees. And one thing, I don't know if we can tell in the video or not, but that little square right there is an old cistern. So there is a water holding tank under there as well. Then walking into the kitchen, we have ceramic tile on the entry, and this is in really good shape and very ornately done as well. So kitchen, good amount of cabinets here. Got the bread box, organizing, little work at desk, and I think this is really cool too. It's just kind of a little focal point in the center of the room. Kitchen sink, nice deep double bowl, and this overlooks the front, so you can see people when they come in. We actually have 2 bread boxes. All the appliances stay, and that's a really nice fridge right there. The ceramic tile goes into the dining area. As near as I can tell, this was probably a 3rd bedroom that they kind of just opened up, and very nice what they did here. It looks like we have a built-in china hutch corner cabinet, updated window in the back there as well. Then the ceramic tile leads us to our bedrooms. And this is new flooring in here. This is on the front left of the house. So one of the parking spots is up here. And then to the side over here, we have nothing but trees. A good sized closet here as well. This bedroom has saloon style doors. So if you want something more private, you could put a door on. Linen closet here. All of these doors are solid wood in here as well. It looks like all of the trim is real wood as well. Just like this room has real wood flooring in here. This is on the back left. So straight out that window is the pole barn. And straight out this window, like the other bedroom, you have pretty much nothing but trees. Solid wood door here for the bathroom. Bathroom's very nice as well. Pedestal sink, looks like porcelain tile. And I don't know for sure, but these look like they might be like 2 foot by 2 foot slabs of granite tile or something like that. But very nice and clean bathroom. So when I first looked at this house, that was everything that I looked at the beginning. I'm like, well, that's really nice. And let me go see what the garage looks like and keep watching because there's a huge surprise. It was a huge surprise for me. If you read the ad, it's probably not a surprise for you, but it was for me. It was a very pleasant surprise. So big garage, very nice. Walk upstairs going to the attic, which is also nice. Air handler for the air conditioner right here. Our boiler system is right here. The house does have a well, but it's supplied by city water, city sewer. That's just kind of for gardening or for whatever you want to use. Utility room here, big utility room. Obviously this is not in the shape of the house, but we do have a half bathroom in here. Water heater, which is newer. That's the door from the Florida room. Washer and dryer negotiable. And I could have labeled this as potentially a full bath, but this used to be a shower that they converted to shelf space. No idea if it works or not, but could make it a bathroom. And then this is where I was like, what is going on here? Workshop. Have a heater up in the corner here. This equipment isn't going to stay, but it could stay. It's negotiable on here. But this is the size of like a huge 1.5 car garage, and it's heated. The central air conditioning doesn't go out here. I think it's cooled by a window unit, but it's just a workshop. And this could easily be converted to a 3rd bedroom if you so wished. So just a magnificent property, multiple lots, primo location on this place. Big 2-car garage here. Got the pole barn out there. This is just a fantastic home. I'm excited to bring it to you. If you have any questions about this house, or if you'd like to see it in person, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to talk to you, or have your realtor schedule a showing on this house. A house like this in Northmont Schools in this shape with the premium location on the lot and everything that this home has to offer, and it is very competitively priced. It is priced to sell right away. So questions, call. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks for watching.